Hi everyone, this is Shahaf. Today is August 14th and I'm here with an update. Today I'd like to talk about the new version of Djed and some other important updates about our network. So let's begin with Djed version 1.2. So as we announced last week, this new Djed version is now live on mainnet, and this is the most significant upgrade to Djed since its launch. So our technical team and business team, alongside technical collaboration team from input, output, the Cardano have been working on this upgrade for the past several months. If you don't know Djed for some obscure reason, so as a reminder, Djed is an over-collateralized stablecoin on top of the Cardano network. And Djed, I believe, is the safest stablecoin out there. It demonstrated remarkable stability, never lost its peg, and it has been battle tested now through dire time and harsh market volatility. So this new upgrade includes a few important things. We now have a more dynamic base fee model. Dynamic fees were originally planned for the next version, but we were able to do this right now ahead of schedule. And this allows the protocol to adjust the base fees anywhere between 0 to 5%, according to the collateralization ratio. That means that it encourages users to mint or to burn Djed versus Shen as needed to maintain optimal protocol health. That's another lever we now have in place. We've also lowered the minimum mint and burn from 200 ADA to only 50 ADA. So go ahead and mint some. We have some more upgrades in this version. We've switched to a percentage-based operator fee. We have more ADA reserves for Shen, and of course, integration to Pluto's version 2. It's a migration that will result in a more cost-efficient, secure, and developer-friendly Djed protocol. So overall, this is a very important upgrade for Djed, the most important upgrade since its launch, and you should stay tuned for more updates on Djed. And as a reminder, any fee that we collect on Djed eventually ends up in the treasury in the form of COTI that is shared as APY. So Djed success is your success. All right, let's talk about COTI V2. CBDCs has made headlines with the Central Bank of Israel, and since we announced that we're going to take part in the Central Bank of Israel CBDC project, we shared some more info about CBDCs in a use case article outlining the features and benefits. Why privacy is so important? So CBDCs powered by COTI V2 provide enhanced confidentiality solution without anonymity. So that's critical because payments needs to be confidential, especially when they're done, globally or nationwide, but they can't be anonymous. So this is something that we can do and others can't. Multinational corporations benefit from COTI V2 powered CBDCs, because they can do complex multi-party supply chain transactions, and they ensure confidentiality across borders. Financial institutions gain a powerful tool for high-volume, rapid transactions processing, leveraging COTI V2 superior speed compared to other privacy solutions. Lastly, government agencies can securely manage sensitive data like tax records while automating fiscal policies through COTI V2's CBDC capabilities. So you can like CBDCs, you can not like CBDCs. It doesn't really matter. We stay neutral as a technology provider, and if CBDCs catch up, then obviously it's huge for COTI in terms of use case, because we can just do things that other can't in terms of privacy, and in the realm of privacy, we can do things much faster, much more cost-effective, and this is how things should be done. Next thing is a tech update. We're working on the COTI Sandbox and data privacy framework. It's an essential piece of the architecture for the COTI privacy layer. So the data privacy framework, DPF, offers several key features: conditional access to smart contracts, flexible rule definition, easy integration, and so on and so forth. And the COTI Sandbox will form an innovative web-based environment, providing a comprehensive playground in which to test and experiment with COTI's V2 privacy features. So all of that is geared towards developers, projects, and adoption. In the background, we continuously develop the testnet. We're pretty close now, and hopefully, by the end of the quarter, we'll be able to launch it. We're working on that, and the business teams are onboarding new partners and integration, and it looks really nice, to be honest. So we'll update that when we launch the testnet. Personally, what I'm doing right now, I've been interviewed by the Crypto Potato podcast with an interesting chat about the evolution of the internet and privacy and how it all relates to what we're doing with COTI V2. Our Chief Ecosystem and Partnerships Officer, Joshua Maddox, joined the Web3 Global Talks last week to discuss COTI V2 and its privacy solutions. Next week, our head of R&D, Guy Messika, will host the second technical discussion on COTI V2. So if you're a dev, make sure to join. We're going to be in a lot of places in this quarter, specifically around Asia. So by the end of this month, I will be in the WebEx conference in Tokyo, Japan. Then we head off to Token 2049 in Singapore and probably do Solana Breakpoint as well. DevCon in Bangkok and so on. So if you're around, let us know. We'd love to meet. So to wrap things up, new version for Djed, a very promising version. And as Djed grows, so does COTI, and so does the treasury. Testnet, we're working very hard on it, and I expect to have it by the end of the quarter. With that, we'll announce the list of new partners that are joining and building on top of the testnet and integrate. And I love how this list forms up. New development that will help developers adopt, like the data privacy framework and the COTI's Sandbox. And overall, a lot of development and a lot of meetings around the world. So we look forward to see you wherever you are. And if you're watching this, stay COTI.